Have you ever written code like this? If key exists, get value, else create it. And you repeat this again and again and again. Python has a hidden gem that does all of this in one line. It's called setDefault. Let's understand it in the simplest way.
Today, you'll learn what setDefault is, why Python created it, how it works, and real-world examples. By the end, you'll know exactly when to use it.
setDefault is a dictionary method. It checks if a key exists. If not, it inserts the key with a default value.
Think of it like saying, give me this key's value. If it doesn't exist, create it. Let's see a basic example. We start with an empty dictionary called scores. Then we call setDefault with the key Alice and a default value of 0. Python checks if Alice already exists. Since it does not, Python creates the key Alice and assigns it the value 0. Finally, when we print the dictionary, we see Alice with a value of 0. Now, if we call it again with a different value, the value does not change, because setDefault never overwrites. First, let's look at the traditional way. We check if the key apple exists in the dictionary. If it does not exist, we create the key and assign it the value 0. Then we increase the value by 1. This approach works, but it requires extra lines of code. Now let's look at the cleaner way using setDefault. setDefault checks if apple exists. If it is missing, it creates apple with value 0. If it already exists, nothing changes. After that, we simply increase the value by 1. Both approaches produce the same result, but setDefault makes the code shorter, cleaner, and easier to read. Perfect for counting things like words. Here, we count how many times each word appears in a list. setDefault creates each word with 0 if it's missing. Then we simply add 1 to get the total count. Also great for grouping data. We can use setDefault to group students by their subjects. If a subject doesn't exist yet, setDefault creates an empty list, and then we simply add each student to the correct group. setDefault first checks if a key exists in the dictionary. If the key is missing, it inserts the key with the default value. It then returns the value so you can use or update it immediately. This makes your dictionary code shorter, cleaner, and much easier to manage. If this helped you, hit that subscribe button to learn more Python tips. And don't forget to like this video so you never miss a quick coding trick.